Okay, today we're taking a look at another item sent to me by AliExpress for review. This is a USB to USB cable. The difference is this one has a built-in meter. So that will give a watts measurement and we'll be able to see how much power is flowing through the cable. So about 1 meter in length. The cable itself feels good quality. Designed by TOOCKI. I don't know how you could pronounce that. Tuki to better. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video, we're going to compare it to a generic USB-C cable. We'll be using a USB-C meter and we'll be comparing the values and see if we do get an accurate reading on the LED display. Okay, so for this demo I'm going to be using the 240 watt GAN charger from AliExpress as well. This top USB port here is capable of up to 100 watts PD power delivery. Okay, so the meter plugs into the charger. Let's plug a phone in. So on this meter here we're seeing 9 volts at about between 1.25 and 1.3, which is about 13 watts, which is correct. Let's swap that cable out for just a plain classic out the box USB-C cable. See if we see any difference. Fast charging, and we are getting between that 125 130. So as far as the cable is concerned, it carries the same power as a normal USB cable. So 9 volts at 1.25 amps. Multiply your volts and your amps and you get your 12 watts. So that's correct. Okay, let's try and plug in something that's going to draw a little bit more power. I have a laptop that's going to pull at least 60 watts. Okay, so let's just start with the normal USB cable. There we go, 20 volts, just under 3 amps, so 20.9, so 58 watts. Okay, let's try the new cable. Okay, so there we go, we're actually getting a little bit more power out of this cable. So we're getting the 3.15 amps, and that's your equivalent to 66 watts power delivery. Okay, so we've had this charger plugged in now at over 60 watts for the time of saying nearly 6 minutes now. Let's have a look at the connectors through the thermal camera and make sure there's no overheating going on. Okay, so like after 7-8 minutes of charging, the connector is getting up to around 40 degrees Celsius, which is perfectly fine. A cable like this is going to come in very handy. Just plugging in the cable without having to plug in a USB meter, you get an idea that the device is actually drawing power, 1, and 2, how much power is actually being drawn by that device. So when it comes to diagnostics, USB charging, that's going to come in handy. So here's a look at the cable on AliExpress. You can get this cable for €3 and under with some discount codes. It comes in a variety of lengths, 1 meter, 2 meters, and there's 3 different colors here. You'll find a link to the product and some discount codes in the description. If you like this review, leave us a like. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix. and we'll see you in the next one.